guys, we're here at Shane Shift Placing Table at Elizabeth Park, where we've had the birthday. Whoa, guys, look over there. There's some pelicans. Oh yeah. This is the pelicans. We've been gathering all the way over here. Look. This is it. Whoa! Whoa! There's a pigeon right there. I didn't even notice that. Oh, Look, guys, look. There are the pelicans. We're gonna give you a good They're pretty rare because I've never seen them in my life. And look at those two ducks right there. Some people they have red, they have black heads and red beaks. Yeah. Some people have never seen a pelican. But on the deck, there's so much food. Another one. I really want to have the sequel.